Can I have $5?
Can I have $5 too?
What do you need $5 for, James?
Can I have $5?
Why do you
Please, Mama.
Why do you need $5?
Give me $5, Mom.
Why do you need $5, James? James, why do you need $5? Do you have a date?
Yeah.
You have a date? Who do you have a date with? Who does James have a date with? Do you have a date?
No, Carter have a date.
Carter has a date.
I have a date with Sally.
You have a date with Sally?
Yeah.
Where are you going to go? Are you going to take her to the zoo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please do.
Wait.
I'm gonna feed it to lions.
Did your brother tell you to say that? Did your brother tell you to say that?
Please.
What do you want, James?
$1.
You want $1 or do you want $5?
$5.
Say $5, please.
Yeah. $5.
Okay. Okay, we'll give you $5, James. Can you blow a kiss to the camera? Can you say I love you?
I am.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
You too, Carter. Blow a kiss.
No.
Blow kiss card.
Yeah, blow a kiss, Cart.
No.
Aww. Do you ever feel like you're being copied?
What happened to waterfall?